Alright, so this is a 2001 Volvo S40 1.9T. With 153,000 miles. This car had an engine misfire. The reason why the check engine light is on is because it needs a new timing belt, which is a bit stretched out, and it triggers out a trouble code with some camshaft, some sensors or something like that. We already put in 2 new ignition coils and 2 wires because 2 ignition coils actually serve all 4. Wires go connected to the ignition coils. The misfire is gone, so the only issue right now is just the timing belt. And I'm going to see if I can do a little 0 to 60 in a moment. Well, I don't know if I'm going to do a wide open throttle video of this car yet. This car still needs new fluids, such as a transmission fluid, which is a bit dirty. Oh, the oil is pretty good. You couldn't have done that before. Sorry for the glare, but the sun is directly looking at me. Like I've mentioned in the S40 video that I've done before, he's come with a 5-speed auto. And that started in 2001, and this car has that. This is obviously the first year of those. And in this year, this engine only produced, I believe, 160 horsepower, though it does deliver 170 foot-pounds of torque. I think below 2,000 RPM. So, right off the line, this car delivers instant torque. I'm going to see if I can do a quick run. Well, nobody coming. So, let me straighten out the car. Rocket. I only took it to 5,000 RPM, but these cars do climb up to 6. Come on, don't anybody take the middle lane. Leave this lane for me. Yes. That's pretty good. And this car gives you easy over 30 miles a gallon. And I quickly left everybody behind, as you can see. The only thing is the interior quality. While there are many soft to the touch surfaces, the quality of their plastics is very shitty, very brittle, and not of very good quality. But once you climb into the 2004 model, where Volvo began introducing the newer generation S40s, the quality really did improve. But in this body style, in this generation, they really did lag. You can see, like up there, that little frame right there is cracked. Door panels are very loose. This leather, the seats are supposed to be comfortable, but here in Florida, The sun toasted the leather and it's really so hard. Really can't even push into it. Probably these seats are bulletproof if you try. I mean, they're just so hard. And here you can see like a spot here, like a blemish. It's visible in the camera. This section here where this blemish is hard because that's where the sun toasted it. So, I think on the driver's seat, it's actually on this section here on the side. And your left ass cheek will be so uncomfortable. It is. You can see the blemish. I don't know if you can see the blemish right there. Yeah, just about. This section is soft, but then once you go over here, it's hard. You can see how the whole thing just presses down, and over here, just that section goes down. So, these seats may also need some rear upholstering.